Good morning, everyone. I'm very happy to take part of the launch of the State of the Industry report of GSMA of mobile money from GSMA for this year, 2023. And I would like to start by to salute really the great work that GSMA is doing in this area, as this report is very important for mobile money operators because it allows us to really get more benchmarking about what is happening in mobile money around the world, to give to us really insight on what is happening, and also to allow us to share with others what we are doing. Mobile money has done well in the last few years as it really contributed to really drive financial inclusion by allowing more than 1 billion people who were financially excluded to have an account and to play a part in the financial game and to be able to get access to an account and to be able to transact. And mobile money operators have really also contributed on improving people's life across the world. And a few examples. Sending money has become commodity. Anyone today in Africa or where mobile money is available is able to send money to his family. And also paying bills, water, electricity has been largely digitalized. And also electricity has become available in many remote areas in the world where it was not before, because of the combination of mobile money and solar energy. And really that has contributed a lot on improving people's life. But I do believe that with all the success that we have been having in mobile money, we still have a long way to go. And there are many areas that as mobile money players we need to work on. And mainly I think that we need to contribute more on really accelerating the development of the African continent. And to do that, few areas that we need to focus on. The first one is credit. Credit is underpenetrated in Africa, less than 10% penetration, and we do believe that it can enable really people to get access to funds, to create their own businesses, and to be able to really get access to create their company. And with the credit, they will be able really to drive their own businesses. And let me give you an example. Last time I traveled to Rwanda, met with a lady in a market where I was doing trade visit. Every morning she would take a loan and buy tomatoes in bulk, sell the tomatoes in the market, and at the end of the day she would pay back the loan, take profit, and with the profit she would buy food for her family, and also she would put some apart that she will use to pay the school fees for their kids. And she was able to really take care of her family by starting a business with a mobile money loan product. And that was really very important to testify, to get that testimony from someone. And we encouraged her to start saving. And after a few months, she became also with the saving independent and using her own saving as a working capital. So that is bringing me to the second area I think we need to develop further, which is saving. Saving is very important because it helps people to become really financially independent, and by becoming financially independent, you get back your dignity and you don't need anyone to really take care of your family. And that is very important. And today, you see that 15% of customers, mobile money customers, are saving, and we can do it. We can really bring further the 15% to much higher number, and that will bring more and more people in Africa who will become financially independent. And the third one really is insurance. So insurance is very underpenetrated in the continent, and we think that by partnering with established insurance companies, we can really develop micro insurance and make it more available, more accessible to people, and that will contribute also largely to more development for African people. And the last one I would like to talk about is international remittance. As you know, sending money to Africa or between African countries is really very, very expensive. And with the assets that we have as mobile money operators, we can really make it much cheaper, and then allowing more people to be able to send back money to their families. And also we can make it more accessible for people to be able to get access to remittances that are being sent by their families abroad. And really, and as MTN, we are contributing on, we are playing our part really on providing financial inclusion, and also making sure that world-class financial services are accessible to any African in the continent and outside of the continent. And we made a lot of progress. We've announced our results. We have more than today 69 million customers who are using our mobile money offers in a monthly basis. We have payment, more than 1 million merchants who are getting paid via mobile money. We also do have lending across our footprint, developing credit, and we disbursed more than 1.4 million loan value last year to our customers. International remittance also is very important. We did transact more than 2.4 billion international remittance value transaction last year. And also insurance is something we are focusing on. We've created with Sanlam a JV called IO that is also being rolled out, and we have more than 4 million policies. But as I said, we think that we can further develop all those areas, and we are very busy on that, and we are working to get really to realize our ambition 2025 to get more than 100 million customers using our Fintech platform by end of 2025. And we're really working on providing more financial inclusion in the continent, and also to make really more people to get access to funds, to develop their own companies, to develop their own businesses, to be able to be financially independent. Thank you very much to everyone, and looking forward to the report.